Everyone thinks I'm rich because of this one music video, and this is how I finessed it. The guy who actually shot the video was actually broke, and now he's a part of a band, so everything is possible, guys. Now look at this shot, this shot, this shot. Everybody in the comment section was actually asking how much I paid for this video, because normally, bro, these high quality music videos, bro, they cost more than $1,000, bro. If you want to know the price, all you gotta do is stick in this video, because I'm about to tell you all the secret sauce that I used to really finesse the game, man. Let's get it, man. But here's the thing, bro. I didn't even spend a single dollar on the production. My editor, he was just a SoundCloud rappers back in the day, struggling to actually get by, actually hustling to get what he deserved in life. This guy is a part of a big brand. Back then he was so hungry. It's not because you're underground artist that you cannot do a hustle that is related to your craft, bro. This guy is the proof, you feel me? Stay in this video. I'm about to drop the sauce, bro. So first of all, I had this song called Leo. It was on SoundCloud. It was popping back in the days, bro. It had like 6K plays, and I was like, yo, TJ, the producer of the song, yo, bro, we need to shoot a music video, but we were actually trying to finesse it. We were trying to hustle. I was not trying to spend a band on a music video. I was trying to hustle it, bro. And if you want to know what I did, bro, I was actually looking for the first thing you need to look when you're actually trying to finesse a music video, bro, is the raw clips. Okay, the raw clips, bro, it's that simple. It's basically a file with no effect that comes from the output of the camera, okay? So keep that in mind, bro. You get the file from the camera, it's called the raw file. This raw file can be edited using an editing software to come up with a music video. So this is what I was actually trying to get for cheap, because once you get the raw clips for cheap, you can actually send it to another editor on Instagram or another editor in real life, and it's gonna be so much cheaper than just the whole package of a music video when it comes to the same person doing the music video for you. So I want you to keep that in mind, because this is really important for your career. If you're trying to finesse the thing, look for someone who's gonna do the job individually, not someone who's gonna do the whole package. God, for every type of task that needs to be done. This is really important, because normally it could have been a band. So we asked Ugly tomorrow, bro, yo, bro, can you do that for like 150, bro? Can you shoot it for 150? And he was like, yo, you know what, bro? I made multiple songs with Ugly tomorrow, so I was like, yo, you know, bro, on some family stuff, you shoot for 150? And he was like, yes, bro, I'm gonna shoot for 150, bro, no problem. We did this in a day, bro. 3 locations in a day. It was awesome, bro. It was awesome. 3 locations in a day, bro. It was so awesome. It was so good. The quality was Ugly tomorrow. He has that talent when it comes to shooting. You feel me? Me personally, I do music videos by myself now. My girlfriend just shoots for me. You feel me? But Ugly tomorrow has better shots than her. Sorry, baby. Ugly tomorrow was goated, bro. Not gonna lie. And it was super cheap. You can find plenty of guys. All you gotta do is network with people, bro. If you want me to make a video about how to network, bro, please let me know in the comment section on this video, bro. And this is how we did it, man. So it was actually 150 for the raw clips, and we had to pay another guy a little amount of money for the final editing and the final VFX, okay? So we paid a guy called Potion Visuals, bro. And Potion Visuals, he's actually famous for making beats for Monzo, and actually other really big artists in the game. Like, he's really dope. Shout out Potion Visuals, bro. He's really dope. Back in the day, it was 150 to actually do. Potion was like, yo, 150 to actually do the video. For me, I'm gonna edit for 150. So I had 150 for the music video, right? For the shots. And I had 150 for the shots, and then I had 150 for the VFX. So then it was 300. But I did half with my producer since it was a song too. So shout out TJ though. Shout out, bro. It really helped me a lot with this, bro. So we paid half for the music video. So it was, at the end, it was 150 for a music video that normally costs 1,000, bro. So it's literally 7 to 8 times less expensive than a really normal music video. So this is how you finesse the game, bro. This is how you finesse the game. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. If you want to have cheap music videos, if you want to learn more, make sure to join my Discord, DM me. If you need anything, a preset, private consultation, any help regarding your music, don't forget to join my Discord, DM me, and I'll help for cheap, man. I got you, man. Send love. Let's get it, man.